Hi, I'm attorney Richard Symes, and in this video we'll discuss what to expect during the bankruptcy process. The first step is for you to contact our firm either by filling out the contact form on the website or giving our firm a call or shooting me an email, richard@symeslaw.com. From there, we'll schedule a time for us to talk either on the phone or at the office to go over your particular situation. From there, we'll go over all of your options. This could include filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, filing for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, debt settlement, or perhaps foreclosure defense mediation. After that, you'll be requested to provide documents. These will include a questionnaire, your last 6 months of pay stubs, your last 2 years of tax returns, any collection letters you may have received. And from there, give me about a week to get everything together and ready to file with the court. Once we file with the court, you'll have to go to court in about 30 days from the date of filing if you filed for Chapter 7. And if you filed for Chapter 13, you'll have to go to court in about 45 days from the date of filing. You have to take one credit counseling class before you file and a second credit counseling class after you file. When we go to court, you'll meet with the bankruptcy trustee, and your attorney will go with you. At court, the trustee will ask you whether you read and signed your bankruptcy petition, whether you listed all your debts, whether you have any assets that you haven't listed, if anybody owes you money. Those are the typical questions. After that, they'll look over your bankruptcy petition to see if there's any assets that may not be exempt or protected. For most people, their case is what's called a no asset case, and no assets are taken or sold because we have rules to protect those assets. In a Chapter 13, no assets get sold, but there's additional steps that need to be taken. So we have to file a bankruptcy plan where you pay back a certain amount to your creditors depending on your income and your household size. After the court date in Chapter 13, you have to get your case confirmed by a judge, and once that is done, your creditors get paid. So that would conclude the process. If you have to make any initial modifications to your plan, we take care of that between the court date and your confirmation date. Even after your case is confirmed, you can still modify your case or convert it to a Chapter 7 if you lose a job or your income changes. And so after that, all you have to do is take your second credit counseling class, and in Chapter 7, you'll get a discharge, and in Chapter 13, you just continue to make the payments. So that, for most people, is the entire process. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, 206-682-7975, and that's if you're in the state of Washington. And I will talk to you soon.